Hi, this is Koby from Performance Toyota Service, located in Sinking Spring, Pennsylvania. Today I'm going to go over when to schedule a tire change, possibly a repair, or if your tires are just starting to get low and we need to put some tires on there and get you safe on the road. Best thing that you're going to want to do is make sure you have the correct information off of your vehicle. So you're going to want the tire brand, the model, and also the size. Today we're looking at a 2018 Camry. The brand is going to be a Bridgestone, the model would be Terenza, and the size would be a 235/40/19R. At that time, you're definitely going to want to have those three things, because what that'll do is that'll differ in availability, pricing, all sorts of things. And then at that time we can also address, maybe we can get you in a better tire, maybe there's something priced more affordable for you, or possibly availability reasons we might not be able to get the tire back in stock. Usually we do have tires here, but sometimes we do have a limited stock of tires on our premises. So if you want to give us a call at 610-678-3425, that would be the best thing to do, or reach out to us at performancetoyotapa.com.